Guys, I just got this Magic Lace wig in the mail today and I'm super excited to try her out. I have been waiting on her. She is so gorgeous. I cannot wait to put her on, y'all. Ooh, look at those curls, honey. She's pre-curled too. I am living for this. And that lace, she's pre-plucked, pre-cut, and pre-bleached. I'm genuinely confused because she's looking just like my other wigs. Even the inside is the same. Wait a minute, it's Velcro and it has a hook. Oh my gosh. Can y'all believe this? The whole top of the wig is coming off, honey. Oh my gosh, she completely detaches. Look at that. You can switch out the top of your wig, girl, so there's no need to replace the whole thing. Let's go ahead and put her back on and put her on my head. All right, now I'm gonna line up that Velcro and hook it back on. Alrighty, let's put her on. Okay, she is so wavy and bouncy. The hair is super soft and that lace is melted down so bomb. I did order another top piece. Let me go ahead and show you guys. Let's go ahead and switch out the top. Instead of ordering a whole new wig, all I gotta do is just replace the top and it's that easy. Now let's go ahead and put her on. Okay, she is looking just like my other one, girl. You can't even tell the difference with the removable top and she's really on here, you guys. She is not going nowhere, girl. Such a game changer. I am loving everything about her. Let me know what you guys think about her in the comments.